All right, guys. Thank you for joining me for this video. This is a full-on review of Suds Lab Hydro Coat Spray-On Ceramic Sealant. It's basically a spray-on rinse-off sealant that I will be demoing on my truck, on the wheels on my truck. They are dirty right now, and we'll be doing this wash this weekend. This will be a weekend wash, guys, of Ruby. From here on, we're going to be doing maintenance updates on my truck about every 2 months now, because of the fact that she just holds up quite well with this ceramic coating that was put on. It is the Adams Polishes graphene ceramic coating. So guys, let's get into this video, and I will do a overview and a pre-shot of the stuff, and then we'll get into the wash. Alright guys, let's get into this. This is going to be the Suds Lab Ceramic Hydro Coat. This is a spray-on, rinse-off ceramic coating that I will be putting onto the wheels. So, let's go. Alright guys, now we're going to go into the hands-on video. This is a shot from a camera that was strapped to my chest. Just letting you guys know my arm might be in the way a little bit, but let's get into this now. Alright guys, now that I just showed you all the product that we're going to be using, which is the Suds Lab Hydro Coat, let's get into the process of washing these wheels. We're going to start with the front driver's side front wheels. I don't use this on paint, guys. I use the spray and rinse products on my rims for a quick sealant and everything. They tend to hold up about 3 to 4 months on the rims. From there, we will go through this. I will be using, for the wheel cleaner, we're going to be using Adams Polishes wheel and tire cleaner. It's going to be diluted 3-to-1 in a spray bottle. And on top of that, we may use Meguiar's wheel brightener to try to help break up the brake dust a little bit. I haven't washed the wheels in a little bit, guys, so they're not bad, but they're not good. The chrome and everything's perfect on them, but let's get into this, and we're going to get started right now.